Hi, welcome. In this video, I'll show you how you can use InVideo AI to create stunning videos effortlessly. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, whether you need videos for YouTube, social media, or marketing, InVideo AI makes it super easy, even if you have zero editing skills. First, you have to go to InVideo.ai and sign up for a free account. You can also upgrade for extra features if you need. Once you're logged in Video AI can generate videos from text. Simply type your script or enter a topic, and the AI will suggest a full video outline with scenes. You can also choose a template based on your video style. Maybe you're creating an explainer video, a promo, or social media videos. In Video AI automatically adds visuals, text, and also animations. But you can also still customize everything if you want. You can click on any scene to change text, images, or video clips. You can also add your own branding, logos, and music if that's what you want to do. And Video AI provides text to speech voiceovers in different accents and also languages. Just type your script and it will generate a neutral sounding voice. You can also upload your own voiceover or choose background music from InVideo library. Once you are happy with your video, click on Export, then select your resolution and download your video in HD or 4K. You can then share it on YouTube, Instagram, or any platform of your choice. Now, if you want pro level edits, you can also use InVideo's advanced features like AI powered transitions, auto subtitles, and also stock footage to enhance your videos. And that's how you can use InVideo AI to generate AI generated videos for your social media or anything. It's fast, it's easy, and also it's perfect for beginners. If this video helped you in any way, make sure to like and subscribe for more AI videos like this one. If you have any questions concerning InVideo AI, please drop them in the comments. I'll be very happy to respond to you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.